Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. In this video, I'm going to go over how we can all find those A+ setups, those high probability trades with multiple confluences. All that means is using technical analysis, we have multiple reasons to get into a trade, either short or long. So let's bring up the screen. This is what my day trading screen looks like with technical analysis all over it, okay? So what I did here, I circled the areas of high probability, multiple confluence trades. And that's what we're going to get into here because these trades were all of A+ quality. So I went 9 for 9 today, which is really, it's rare. I think one other time I went 11 for 11. Going 9 for 9 is definitely up there with, some of my best trading. And all I did today, and we made $102.50. All I did today was trading those spots. So it took patience, got in for those, high probability setups, and I'm going to go over those with you guys right now. So this is my trading platform. This is what I'm looking at every single day. So we have the SPY down here on the bottom. We have the Micro E-mini up here on the top. This is what I trade the S&P with using the micro futures. And now I'll show you where I got in for my first couple trades. All right, so if we're looking at this on this, let me see if this will show trades. Okay, good. So this trade was from yesterday. So this doesn't count into this 102.50. So that's from yesterday. But this is where we first started to see that trend line. So then coming into today, I noticed, again, using technicals, I drew out this trend line. This trend line was hitting on all of these wicks, all right? This started at 4 a.m. The UK Open was here. It dropped the market, and then we grinded our way up. So I was patient, sitting down right here and waiting for this spot. Now, this is my first multiple confluence trade. Now, what that means, like I said, multiple reasons to get into a trade. So this was coming up against resistance from this trend line. It's coming up against resistance from this trend line, giving me a high probability short. So this was my first trade of the day, 1 for 1 on that multiple confluence trade. My next trade is right here. So this was coming up against this trend line again and coming up against VWAP. Another high probability trade. Left a lot of money on the table, but these are scalps. I don't mind getting in and getting out. You limit, especially in 2022, the amount of pain that you can possibly get. So took a scalp there, took a scalp there, 2 for 2, high probability, multiple confluence trades. The same thing here. What am I waiting for on these first couple trades? I'm waiting for the break of that trend line. That was the trend line from the morning. So the market opens at 9:30. We wait for the break and then get in long for the break of this trend line and take profits out on the breakout. So that was also another multiple confluence trade. We came up to this area of resistance. Now, why was 3760 on this spot? If we go back here, I'll show you on the 5-minute why this was a spot here. 37.60, taking a look down here from yesterday, was resistance off the open. We pulled back, broke through that, retested that 37.60 right here. So that's why 37.60 was on my key levels for today. Shorted it here at resistance, took profits back into this trend line. Again, a multiple confluence trade. All right. Now at this point, I went to the gym, so I was not around during this entire, hour and a half. I got back to the screens just now, and I'm showing you guys on the 5-minute chart to kind of fit everything in right here. And for the multiple confluence, I'm going to show you what I was looking at. So I'm on this screen here, and this is the 1 minute. This is what I take my trades off of. And coming down to 37.60, coming down to VWAP, right? Not only that, and I'm going to unlink this to show you guys the SPY at that time. The SPY at this time was also coming into VWAP and a key level. Massive multiple confluence trade right here to get long. You're at support, you're over VWAP, you're at VWAP right here with a nice bounce off of a key level. This to me was a great time to get long. So that was that trade. That was my final trade right here. Did I leave a lot on the table? Yes. But like I said, in 2022, especially 2022, I'm locking in those gains. And then you can see I'm really only trading with one contract. I usually trade with more than that, but just to minimize that risk. And the risk that we've been seeing in the markets overall is just what I do to, trade smarter. So anyway, 102.50, and that is what those multiple confluence A+ setups can do for you. Like it just showed you right here, 9 for 9. Just taking those multiple reasons to either get long or get short, whatever you're trading. So hit the thumbs up for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you back tomorrow with another one. Take care, guys.